Quality, competence, innovation, customer orientation. 4 simple words that influence our thinking and activities every day. After some 80 years, our passion and engineering innovation, combined with decades of experience, have placed us in a technologically leading position worldwide. We and our expert partners stand out for our commitment, wealth of ideas and motivation. With its great enthusiasm, Kögel is always setting new standards. We always have the right solution for your transport challenge. Whether in the forwarding or construction industry, you can rely on us and our vehicles. We are a large and well-reputed company with international know-how. We are established in Germany and the Czech Republic, making us a European player. The Kögel headquarters, Burtenbach, is the heart of the company. Our HQ in Bavaria is a top-level development and production site. Up to 20,000 vehicles leave this factory every year. Chassis delivery is the starting point of production at Burtenbach. The frames for platform and box trailers, Euro trailers and demountable systems reach their destination here. The welded chassis have already travelled 600 kilometers before they're unloaded here and subjected to an intensive quality check. The Kögel factory in Chocen, Czech Republic. This is where, using precise production steps, the frames for the whole Kögel product range are welded together. Our sister company is outstanding for its long tradition, extensive know-how and high-quality work carried out by around 250 employees. Chocen has a good name in the business and is known for top-quality chassis production. On the production line in Burtenbach, the welded vehicle chassis are transferred to a fully automated transport system and are first carried to the blasting system. Dirt contamination, rust, rolling mill scale, etc. is removed by the high-energy steel abrasive. After cleaning, the frames are ready for finishing using the highest quality industrial surface coating using cathodic dip paint coating and nano-ceramic technology. Each chassis is dipped in 10 baths of different solutions. These are for cleaning, degreasing, rust protection and priming. Through cathodic dip paint coating treatment, all components receive uniform coating thicknesses and constant surface quality. This is followed by baking in the cathodic dip paint coating curing oven to harden the special lacquer and form its final stable structure. The cathodic dip paint coating plant is subject to strict test and inspection procedures. Every day, for example, all the solutions in the dip baths are tested for their chemical composition. Only with such meticulous analysis can Kögel guarantee the high quality of its chassis. After 6 cycles, the frames leave the burning furnace with virtually perfect corrosion protection. In the painting that follows, Kögel once again demonstrates its service orientation. Customer can choose between cathodic dip paint coating finish with UV protection or cathodic dip paint coating in one film or all-over painting in the desired color. The subsequent baking of the paint gives the chassis the highest possible chip resistance and optimum gloss. The vehicle frames have now reached the assembly section. Being one of the first trailer manufacturers in Germany, Kögel fabricates its own axles. The production of these important vehicle components directly utilizes the know-how of our engineers accumulated over decades. The customer can choose once again between the outstanding products from leading component manufacturers or Kögel axles. Together, we are strong. Some 600 employees work in Burtenbach. They are an important reason for Kögel's success. Motivated and highly qualified, they deliver their work with precision. The passion, commitment and sense of responsibility of our staff ensure that we can continue to deliver high-quality products. Although Kögel mass produces its cutting-edge trailers, we fulfill almost all of our customers' wishes. When you order your trailer, you can select your specifications. In this way, we guarantee the greatest possible customization in spite of our high-grade mass production. Optimum quality and the best possible safety are the criteria that must be fulfilled by all our products. So no trailer leaves the factory before we are absolutely sure that everything is as you, as customer, can expect from us. The Kögel product range. Trailers of the highest quality up to the latest technical and safety standards. This applies just as much for the construction segment as for trailers for the forwarding segment. Kögel Cargo, the solid long-distance runner. This is Kögel's best-selling product and is impressive for its high quality of workmanship, low maintenance costs and flexibility. The Kögel Euro Trailer. The Euro Trailer is 1 meter 30 longer. It offers additional space for 6 pallets, and thus the operator uses around 10% less fuel and emits 10% less CO2. Kögel Port, the flexible multi-talent. The container chassis is outstandingly flexible. High-quality materials and low tear weight make the port a reliable and economical means of transport. Kögel Flatbed Trailer. The 3-axle turntable flatbed trailer with cropped plateau in welded construction is ideally suited for the transport of mechanical diggers, construction machines and other machinery. Advantages are the low drive-on-off angle and the highly stable main and external frames. Kögel Tipper Trailer brings us back to construction. It impresses with its low maintenance costs, good drivability and high stability. The tailgate hydraulic cylinder is protected from the load and so reliably ensures exact dumping. In order to guarantee the highest level of quality, Kögel produces the bodies for the family of box trailers in their own manufacturing facility in the renowned Sandwich Panel Competence Center in Duingen in Lower Saxony, thus eliminating the need for external suppliers. Around 50 qualified employees with many years of experience first prepare the panels for the steel top layer. These are connected together and carefully fitted in a special foam mold. After the preliminary shape has been fixed in a press, the so-called sandwich panels, having a thickness of 30 to 65 millimeters, are filled with a special type of foam to provide good insulation, and then subsequently joined together properly. Kögel can, as a result of this complete production system, offer the customer the optimum price-to-performance ratio. If you want to be able to cope with the continuously growing market for fresh and frozen food, you will always be one step ahead with the Kögel Cool. In addition to the optimum hygiene and cleaning properties presented by the specially smooth surfaces and the fully fledged aluminium floor covering, the Kögel Cool has a special air pressure ducting profile for improved air intake fitted as standard. The Kögel product range, in every respect, a strong team. Kögel site in Ulm. This is the home of Kögel's after-sales centre. 40 or so service centre staff help you speedily and without bother. For technical customer services, guarantee work, service partner care or ordering of spare parts, you'll find here competent and friendly contacts. Furthermore, if you wish to order online, you can do this on our refurbished website. Right next door is the Kögel Parts Spare Parts Centre. On 3,000 square meters, we have over 8,000 different items always available. From here, orders go on the same day to dispatch as desired by package delivery services, courier service or overnight express service. We can thus guarantee fast and reliable delivery and no long downtimes. Kögel has now become an international entity, having around 1,000 employees. Let the future come. We are well prepared.